Hey everyone, Matt here, checking in from SuiteWorld 23 again. Joined today with the friends from Celigo, with George and Mark. Welcome, gents. Quick intros. Over to you, George.
Yeah, absolutely. George Polizos, I'm the VP for APAC for Celigo.
And I'm Mark Simon. I'm the VP of Strategy for Celigo.
Love that. So Celigo, strategic partners in Oz of Annexa. We work closely on iPaaS, all things integration. So great to have you gents on board. Appreciate the partnership. Bit of an insight for the folks back at Oz, market trends, insights. What are you guys seeing, over the last 12 months that you can share?
We're seeing a lot of stuff. One of the big things we saw is the interest in AI just exploding. That's become a topical thing for everybody, right? When the layperson on the street is asking you about, are you using AI in your business? But we see customers asking more and more. We built out connectors to support that and doing some really cool initiatives to allow customers to leverage their data with AI. So that's one of the areas. We're also seeing a big growth in the data warehousing space with NetSuite and customers leveraging a data warehouse in conjunction with NetSuite, getting their SaaS data there. And they're deriving a lot of value from that on top of just the core NetSuite platform.
Love that. Yeah, we've been doing a bit with NSAW, so that'll be good to compare notes on how we can use Celigo as well to make that easier.
Absolutely. We see that as a big growth area for NetSuite, part of their go to market. And we've launched actually very recently launched our NSAW connector to better partner with and help kind of cover the ground to get other applications, not just Oracle and NetSuite applications, but get that other application data into NSAW more quickly and easier.
Love that. In terms of market challenges, trends, the reasons why people are using Celigo more in terms of how you're selling, what they're trying to solve. Anything stand out in terms of the challenges that you're solving with Celigo?
What we see in the market is, if we go back a couple years into the pandemic, we saw a big explosion, particularly in e-commerce, right? This acceleration of e-commerce, digital adoption across organizations, and whether they're e-commerce companies or just companies that have accelerated their digital transformation, we see everybody kind of retrenching a bit right now and focusing more on operational efficiency and not just focusing on how to go to market and go to market faster, but a little bit of retrenching. And so that's bringing another focus into integration and how to foster operational efficiency through a more complete integration and automation package.
Yep, definitely resonates with what we're seeing. Massive growth, COVID, all the online businesses going crazy and now they kind of get realign and get reorganized with all the integration strategies. So yeah, that makes sense. Cool. Keynote this morning, big product updates. Anything exciting for you guys that sort of might influence your strategy or that sounds fun?
What we saw from a product side is we love NetSuite's investment into leveraging AI within their product. So they've been doing that already really well, but seeing the acceleration there, we see some of the stuff that like Evan talked about yesterday, the Benchmark 360, talked about the leveraging the NSAW for predictive capabilities. That for us is fantastic because, in order to leverage those functionality in NetSuite, you need to bring in your data across your system stack into NetSuite. It requires good integration, solid business processes, and a good automation foundation. And so, we're really look at ourselves as being the foundation for customers being successful leveraging that built-in NetSuite functionality.
Love that. Yeah, we I think in Oz or globally, being able to articulate those AI benefits easily. Everyone seems to be having a lot of trouble to figure out how AI can make my business better. I think that's a real good thing that's come out of this conference is practical use cases that have been demonstrated, and we can start to build from there. So that's super exciting.
Yeah, and we're really trying to help customers focus on practical value adds that are substantial to the business through AI, how to empower their employees to do more work faster, and not just what I call sort of AI parlor tricks, but really substantive value from those solutions. And that requires integration and moving data, sometimes a lot of data, getting it in the right spot to facilitate that.
Yep, love that. What's next? What can we look forward to? Next 12 months ahead with the partnership.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Celigo now has been in region for 12 months. We've established ourselves in Australia. And one of the things that we've really wanted to do is get closer to our partners and customers. So as part of that, we started building out a full-scale team in Australia. So now we can, we've got account management, we've got new sales, we've got solution consulting, customer success management in region. So for us now, it's about capitalizing on the initial investment and growing from there. And I guess one of the things that we've been doing a lot is talking to our customers and understanding, I guess, the gaps in the market, but more specifically, I guess, the nuances for ANZ and APAC widely. So we've seen things like, connectors for things like Shopee and Lazada, which are important in the ASEAN market. And we're going to continue with things like Aftership and various other things as well. So we're going to continue that investment and very much give back to our community in ANZ.
Love that. Anything for you, Mark, in terms of strategy looking forward to share as well?
We've made Australia and New Zealand were very strategic for us this year to get, build a boots on the ground presence for the first time for us. And we've seen a great return on that. It's an area, largest, fastest growing region for us actually right now. So we're really, really excited to continue that investment and keep leaning in and really continue to identify where we can help customers reach their goals better. Really go after the need in the space that by listening to those customers.
Yeah, love that. No, look, we really appreciate the partnership with Celigo. It's been easy. You're like sitting down and working through what we need to support our customers. So it's good to have the presence on the ground to help us.
Absolutely, we appreciate the support from Annexa. To be fair, having a strategic relationship like this makes our role a little easier, bridging that gap with the customers, working on innovation projects. So again, to the Annexa team, it's been absolutely fantastic working with you and look forward to building and capitalizing on that as we move forward.
Love that. Thank you, George. Thank you, Mark.
Appreciate it.